thank you so much for coming back to my YouTube channel. The last few videos that I have been doing have been vlogs. As you guys know, I went to Cape Town, South Africa. I had so much fun. So if you haven't watched those vlogs, why are you even on this video? Yeah, so today's video is a what I eat in a day. I'm going to be showing you guys everything I'm eating today, and the best part is I'm not cooking. I am not cooking today, guys. I'm so happy I'm not cooking today. Today is just going to be just put different things together. No cooking, no frying, no baking, nothing. Thumbs up this video if you can cook but you also do not like to cook. Honestly, just like this video so that I will know. Anyway, yeah, this is everything I'm going to be eating today, but obviously this is not what I eat every day. There are different types of foods I eat every day. I'm just showing you guys what I am eating today. So if you guys want to know what I am eating today, then please keep watching. So you're going to put half a cup of oats, a tablespoon of protein powder, a teaspoon of honey, and 1/8 of a cup of coconut milk, and then some water, and also some chia seeds, about half a tablespoon of chia seeds. Then you put it in the fridge for like an hour. Then when you bring it back, you notice that it has gelled a bit. Then for my topping, I'm going to be using some apple slices, some pumpkin seeds, some sunflower seeds, and also some tiger nuts. You can top your food with anything you want. For my first snack of the day, I'm going to be eating some oranges, just 2 oranges, and I just like to cut them into little pieces. For lunch, you're going to need some tuna fish and also 1 avocado, but you're going to cut your avocado into 2, so you're only going to use half of an avocado and then keep the remaining avocado for dinner. Then you're going to put the tuna fish and the avocado into a bowl, and then you're just going to mash them up together. Then you're going to get 1 whole wheat bread, and then you're going to put your avocado and tuna on top of 1 bread. You can obviously use 2 slices of bread if you want. Then I'm topping it up with some flax. Snack of the day is going to be 4 pieces of water crackers and 3 seedless cucumbers. For dinner, I'm having a smoothie, so I'm using the remaining half of my avocado. I'm using some kale, some bananas, and some frozen mangoes, and I'm using some coconut water which I got from a fresh coconut, and I'm just using it to make a smoothie and just blend it all together. And then I'm going to be putting my smoothie into a bowl, and then I'm going to be topping it with some granola, with some bananas, some coconut, some shredded coconut which I shredded myself, and then some grapes. You guys enjoyed this video and loved seeing what I ate today. If you did, then do not forget to like this video and also leave a comment for me down below, and also like this video if you do not like cooking, like if you prefer like just putting things together and everything is still healthy, like you don't always have to cook every time. Like honestly, who has time? Subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can always follow me on social media, of course, because I am so active on social media and you guys are missing a lot. So I will see you guys in my next YouTube video, which, as you know, is going to be nice and lit. Bye.